and I'm going to show you how I start the rocket heater in the freezing cold. I think it's outside it's -9 Celsius, and then inside it's plus, looks plus here. If I do my skin, it says 29, so it should be alright. 6 degrees there. It's freezing in here, but it shows plus. Anyway, it's cold, so what I do is I splint a spruce wood like this, and I use several matches, and then I just hold. It's actually underneath, so I can't do that now when I do it this way, but I want to get this going, and so I could do that. That's kind of great. I just tried some birch bark, but it didn't work. So I just chop it from one side, like every angle I can, to get this thin splints like this. You see it smokes out now, but when I put it in here, if I manage, you see it already filled here with some birch and stuff, and then you see the drag start going down now, some of it, and I just add more splints and stuff like that, and then just to get the glow, and then I can blow into the inside, so the glowing stuff, yeah, whatever it's called in English, will be there and just continue growing. And then, yeah, you see it smokes out now. Soon then it will, when I start blowing there, it starts blowing inside, and you get this drag into the tube going up in the barrel, the rocket in the barrel, heating the barrel. That cools the air, and it goes, or the smoke, and it goes down through the system and finally out. So I hope it starts now very well. And you see it going out, and then blow, get it going. And if that doesn't work now, I will do it again, and then it finally works. But that's how I do it. No, not a good example now, but yeah. So thank you.